Good morning, students. This is Amitabh Ghosh from Great Mission Public School, Himmatpur block. And as you know, I'm your computer science teacher. Yesterday, I gave you brief introduction about your topic. I hope you may have some idea whatever I gave you in your video lecture and a short clip. So we will continue all the topic that we have in this particular chapter in detail, and in the coming videos I'm going to show you practical view of solving each and every problem. So please stay tuned with my videos. Okay, thank you. So we are in the second day of your chapter number 3. Student, yesterday I gave you brief idea about what are the topics that we will cover in this particular chapter. I gave you brief idea about control panel window. So in today's session, we will continue more features about control panel window. So as I told you yesterday, control panel is a system folder through which you can see the appearance of your Windows system. You can check different type of hardware and software settings, and if required you can customize these settings according to your choice. Like you can change the appearance of your desktop, you can increase or change the screensaver features, you can change font style, font size, different type of themes you can apply, you can install different type of drivers, softwares. All these stuffs you can do it through control panel window. So as because this is a practical session chapter, so I'm going to show you each and everything practically. So how to go to control panel? Yesterday I already told you there are two options in Windows 7. When you click on start button, in start menu on right hand side you will find control panel, but it is missing in Windows 10. Still you can bring control panel with using different type of methods. On left hand side of this start menu, if you hover your mouse, you will find Windows, document, pictures, settings, and all these stuffs. So if you click on document, this document folder will appear. Let me close this previous window of PowerPoint. Let me maximize. Now when you click on document, your document window appears on the screen. I told you yesterday, on the address bar you will find the complete path or the location of your current window. So if you click on this arrow extreme, that is on extreme left hand side, left to this PC, a drop down list will appear where you will find control panel. You click on it and you will find control panel window on the screen. Now when you open like this using this method, by default you will find category view. There are three types of views in Windows operating system after Windows XP, that is available in Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 8.1, and the current operating system Windows 10. So when you click on view by, you will find three types of views. One is category view, second one is large icon, and the third one is small icon. Now when you click on category, it shows you control panel items or elements in category format, like system security. Under system security, different type of function and features are available, that is reflecting over here. Review of your computer status, save backup and restore of Windows 7. Then on right hand side, other categories are user accounts, network and internet, appearance and personalization, hardware, sounds, clock region, then ease of access, program. All these things are categorized in such a manner so that it has a proper view when a user is opening this particular screen. So it is a filter version through which a user can go using these steps in a sequential manner. Now if you change this view by large icon, you see that, so control panel item increases. Now in a category view, everything was organized under each category, which is now not available. Every control panel is able through your eyes view, where you can see each and every control panel item. And the third one is small icon. Now this suits my eyes because through text I would be able to recognize these control panel items easily. So this is my personal choice. You can have your own choice while you can change the view of control panel items. Now in small view, as I said, all the control panel items are very much viewable using text and as well as icon. So it is better organized in a structured manner. So I like this view where I can view each and every components or elements of control panel. Now I will show you 2 or 3 elements which has different type of features. The basic or the main feature in control panel is administrative tool. When you click on administrative tools, this tool gives you different type of administrator control. The sole controller of your computer system is administrator, not the user. So these features that you see on the screen, administrative privilege, where you can edit or customize the feature of through using administrative tools. Like if you want to check what type of disk or partitions you have in computer management, you double click on computer management, click on disk management. It will give you hard disk information along with CD-ROM drive attached, that is attached to your computer system. As you can see, my hard disk, I have one hard disk of 1 terabyte which has a 3 main partitions, C, D drive and E drive, with the base drive is C. Windows 10 is installed and its subordinate partition is master boot record, where it holds the main address in EFI format, and the file system is NTFS. These are some complex terms that I'm telling you today. You won't be able to understand any of these. Still, you can have an idea how many partition of your computer system has using computer management. So let me close this. Let me show you the other one. This is device manager. I'm going here in device manager. Now device manager is a next main control panel item where you can check what are the Windows components attached to your computer system. Like it has an audio speaker, a laptop has an audio speaker with a rechargeable battery, we're having a Bluetooth device, it has a webcam, then disk drives like hard disk. This computer system has hard disk. Monitor shows display adapters. I have a DVD drive, and other basics are keyboard, mice, monitors, all these stuffs. You can see here all the hardware components that is attached physically to your laptop system. And in order to run your hardware, in your last year class you might have remember the other component is software, without which your computer won't run. Any machine which doesn't have software is, uh, cannot run the hardware, and that machine is a dead machine. So software allows you to make hardware work. So in device manager you can see both hardware system as well as software system or software information. Like if you see in a Bluetooth device, it is showing me exclamation mark. That means this system has some problem. Some drivers has not been installed properly, so it is giving me error message of port 43. But if you expand camera, it has a Asus camera, and if you double click about the properties of Asus camera, it will show you this device is working properly. So every hardware information and software information is shown in device manager. Now in your course we will deal with date and time features, where you can change date, time, and UTC, that is universal time component. We are in a India zone, so normally IST is the time, but UTC is the universal time. So we can calculate that we are running 5.5 hours ahead of universal time. So these time zone settings can also be changed using date and time features. What are these? Where are the other features or methods available in date and time that I will show you in coming days. Apart from that, I will give you information about this recycle bin. What are the advantages and disadvantages of recycle bin? So that is it for today. There is more to discuss on control panel components, that is date and time features. So tomorrow we will continue and we will discuss about that. See you tomorrow then. Goodbye, students.